This is the second part of the Summer Fit Circuit workout, and this exercise is called push-up dive bomb. It's really challenging exercise and you want to do it really slowly, and you're gonna do only 5 reps. So now I'm gonna show you what this exercise looks like. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after this exercise, move on directly to the third exercise. And if you need more information about this workout, you can find it all for free on my fitness site bodyrock.tv. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.